Basically, whenever you want to send a business-initiated message to a user using MessageWeb, the first step is to send a template to the user or your contacts. Once the user responds, the 24-hour conversation window gets activated. This is where we create our templates. We can create 3 types of templates. The first type is marketing templates. Marketing templates are used to showcase your products, promote offers, and help users explore your services. The second type is utility templates. Utility templates are used to send important updates such as order confirmations, order updates, or cancellations. The third type is authentication templates. Authentication templates are created through Meta. To create them, you need to click here, open your Meta business account, create the template there, and it will automatically sync with your system. First, you need to enter the template name. For example, welcome offer. Next, select the language in which your template will be sent. After that, choose the category. It can be marketing or utility. If you select marketing, the next step is choosing the header type. You can select text, image, or video. For now, we will select image and upload any image. Once the image is uploaded, it will appear in the preview. Now, you can enter the message content that you want to send to the user. On the right side, you can see a live preview of the template. You can add variables here and even add multiple variables. Each variable needs to be defined. For example, first name. You can write messages like, welcome, first name. This is our pricing. Pricing can be dynamic. You can enter a direct price or use variables. You can also format the text. You can make it bold or italic. After that, you can add a footer. The footer is displayed at the bottom of the message. For example, this message is from MessageWeb. Next, you can add multiple buttons or quick reply buttons. For quick replies, you can define chatbot automation. For example, if the user clicks yes, you can decide what automated message will be sent. You can also add a call button and enter your phone number. If you want to send OTP messages, you can configure them here as well. There is also a URL option. If you want to redirect users to your website, simply enter your website link. When the user clicks the button, they will be redirected. You can also use dynamic URLs, where payload data is passed automatically. Once everything is set, click Submit and your template will be sent to Meta for approval. After Meta reviews the template, you will see the status here. The status can be pending, approved, or rejected as decided by Meta. You can also see the template category, template name, language, and type. Once approved, you can use this template to run campaigns and send messages to multiple contacts. You can preview the template to see how it will look to users. You also have the option to edit the template if you need to change the content, and if required, you can delete the template as well. This is how the complete template system works.